Hi guys, this is Mohan here. Today my video is about how to connect your iPad to a TV or a monitor with the help of this Bonelk USB-C to HDMI adapter. And you also need this HDMI male to male cable. Guys, it's very easy. So what you have to do, so you have to connect one end of HDMI cable to your adapter and now connect that adapter to your iPad. So here's my iPad. And now connect that HDMI cable to your TV. So here's my TV. So at the back here I have two HDMIs. I can choose any, and my TV will automatically detect this HDMI input. And see guys, it's worked. Thanks guys. If you have liked my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.